Hello everyone, we are back. This is our presentation in the game we made based on the activity that been posted to our LMS. We have here the game Follow the Numbers. In this game, you need to connect all the numbers that appear on the screen in correct orders. If you make a mistake, all the lines will automatically disappear and you will have to start from the very first dot again. Before we go to the code, we need to download first the images that will be used to the game. I have here the downloaded file of the game. Okay, let's proceed to the code. First, we need to put the import PGC run to run our code on the screen. Here in from random import runInt, this imports the runInt function from Python's random module. Next, we need to set the screen size of the screen. Let's declare the width and the height to 400 pixels. In dots and lines variable, this global list will store the dots and the lines. On the other hand, in next dot is equals to 0, this global variable starts at 0 and tells the game which dot should be clicked on next. On the next line, for dot in range 0 and 10, this will loop 10 times. In actor is equals to actor dot, this line will create a new actor using the image of the dot in the images folder. Here in actor.pose is equals to runIt 20 and width -20. This will ensure that the dots appear at least 20 pixels away from the edge of the screen, so the whole dot is shown. Use backlash character if you need to split a long line of code over 2 lines. It may fit on one on your file.
Next is the draw function. This code is used to display the dots and their number labels on the screen. In this function, the screen.fill used to set the background to black, and the variable number used to keep track of the current number labels. The next line of code, screen.draw.text, used to draw each dot on the screen along.
Another function we use is the onMouseDown function. We use this function to make the dots respond to the mouse click. It also accesses the global variable nextDot and lines to be able to change the values later on. This condition checks if the player has clicked the correct next dot in the sequence. If correct, it draws a line between the current dot and the previous one. This line sets the next dot to the next number. It adds 1. If the player clicks on the wrong dot, then deletes all the lines and set the next dot back to the first one. Now let's try to run our game.
Do you love me, Matthew?
I do.
Honestly?
Yes. Secretly, but honestly.
No more secrets.